Okay, here we are today, day 7, Sunday, 11 a.m. Justin and Jose are about to put up row B and A at the very end. They just finished all the lags, and we have all the modules up from the basement up to here. So now we're gonna put on all the fragile stuff. So what we're doing today is starting from the middle on the bottom, and we're gonna move up, out, and then down, over, and then down with all the modules, and that's it. That's what we're doing right now, and hopefully by the end of today, all the modules will be up, but that's what we got going on. What's your name? Almost done moving the trash. Gotta keep it below the camera so I don't stack too tall. Day 7 days in a row, 2 days to take it down. We have just the A row up here with Justin and Jose, and then we're gonna take all the trash tomorrow and put the racks in tomorrow. We don't have the vacuum tool yet to align, so we're not gonna do that until Tuesday night, and then the whole wall should be done, and we'll get the final trash out tomorrow.
Locked out, you know.
Doing the final touch-up. We're putting foam underneath the wall to hide the gap. We're doing all the final alignments, swapping out any broken panels in all the last modules, and then cleaning up all the mess. We got a couple cameras we have to aim today, just so they can see the content when it changes for trouble calls, and then we'll be done with this wall, which would be sweet.
There's this excess foam here from when we pulled off the old foam. So now we're just trying to scrape it off and get it as level as we can, smooth. I wish we had like a real scraper.
If you were athletic, what sport would you play?
If I was an elf, Q. Q, that's my answer.
If you were athletic, what sport would you play?
Since I'm retired from the NBA and MLB, I'd probably try soccer.
How come you're not currently in the NBA?
Bad knees, too many kids, contract negotiations, things like that.
If you were athletic, what sport would you play?
Basketball. I am athletic. What are you talking about? What do you mean if? Agile.
Sometimes he likes to get those super close-ups.
There's been times where I'm working right here and I turn to my right, there's a lens right here.
He's got to get in and get that pixel. So once we finish whatever adjustments we can, then it's easier just to go back and swap panels one at a time till all the broken ones are gone, which we're gonna take back, put them in one box, ship them to get repaired, then we'll bring them back to site.
Talking LED walls, baby.